Hello guys, welcome back to Gary Tech Interior Design. Thank you for the support that you are bringing towards this channel. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly make sure you subscribe. So today we are going to talk about what make a house to be so expensive. So there is some two categories of building a house. There's one that is called a superstructure and there's one that is called finishing. So upon building a house, superstructure is something that is so simple. The only material that, let's say, that it can be needed is only cement, sand, iron bars, blocks. I think only that one. But when it comes to finishing, it has got, let's say, like only like let's say we can call it either 5 categories or okay, that one is the most consuming towards building a house. Because let's say if you see like okay, when someone sells you like the house is like 2 million, you can see a superstructure, it can be like 800,000. But upon finishing, you can find that it will consume 1.5 million. Because if you can see, let's say if you start with the let's say gypsum, you can see this is the gypsum that we had gone, the design that we had gone with on this particular house. So this now is called finishing. So you can see this particular gypsum, it had costed us like 200,000, only 250,000 without labor. So you can see only gypsum it has taken like almost 300,000. And then the next thing is tiles. You can see the tiles that is here. You can see these tiles, it has even consumed like 240,000. If you add to the labor, you can say it can goes up to even 300,000. So that is 600,000. Imagine you have not added paint. So in terms of paint work, we are planning to, let's say, if it will be so, let's say in terms of if you go with the medium range, let's say the medium quality, if we will not go with that high end, let's say high end painting work, we'll have to, let's say, like a bit of 150,000. So if you add like labor, you can see it could be like up to 300, it will be like almost 250, 200. If we will have do skimming on this particular, if we will do this skimming, the entire room to be done with the skimming, you can see there is the labor, the prices of this particular material will even rise up. And then what else? If you have not yet gone to electrical designing, so electrical, this particular budget of this particular thing, we can put it to almost 120,000. If you add labor there, it could be like even 150 to 160. So if you add, like say, like it was painting, painting, we had to call it like 200,000. Tiles, we had to call it 300, and then ceiling, we had to go with the 300. So that is 8,000, and then plus electrical, you can see it is 950,000. If you go with plumbing, so you can see this is the plumbing that we have done. You can see this is the plumbing. So this particular material of this particular site, it has costed us like a minimum of almost, we can call it, let's say 80,000. 80,000. So if you add together with the labor price, you can have like 100,000. So if you add, let's say, if you add like 950,000, if you add it with 100,000, you can see it is 1.5 million. You have not yet included, let's say, like the wardrobes. So if you include wardrobes, you can see the wardrobes, let's say this particular room, you can see this particular room will have to provide a wardrobe here. So you can see each room if let's say wardrobes, we can give it even to, let's say the highest to be, let's say 150,000, because there are two. So for the first bedroom, the master bedroom, and this is our kids bedroom, and then you can see we have here this particular worktop setup, of which we'll have to have some boards that will be used to cover these particular holes that you see, these spaces that you see here, and then we'll have a worktop, another high level worktop that will place in there, so that whenever you have, let's say some storage capacity, you can put your things there. So if you can give it, let's say to the highest to 150, and then if you add a labor, let's say like 50,000, you can see it is almost 1.5. It is almost 1.2. That's why I was telling you, when you build a house of 2 million, you can find that the finishings only, it will consume more money. It consumes more money rather in that budget that you have been allocated towards the particular project. Imagine I've not yet included, let's say, like the molding work. That is a part of molding work. That is part of finishing outside. So you can see, if you add, let's say like molding, if you add it like 100,000, because together with the labor price and together with, let's say, the cement, so to be the highest, to be, let's say, like 100,000, you can see that is 1.3 million. And then I think that is the major things that one should look. Finishing only. Your house, you can build it smart from foundation, but when it comes to finishing, if you don't have someone who is so mature enough to do a quality finishing, your house will be looking like nothing. Imagine I've not yet even included the doors, the frame, the doors of this particular inside of this particular house. So each door, let's say we can give it. Okay, even, sorry, I had a bit some communication somewhere. So you can see I was talking to you that you can see this door, even this behind me, we have not yet fitted it. You can see it's still open. So there's some, it is still, so there are four. So you can see there's one, you can see here, there's another one on this master bedroom. There's another one on kids' bedroom. There's another one on the kitchen. So that is the thing that makes your client's money to be drained, to eat a lot of money when in terms of constructing a house. That's why I've told you, when it comes to a superstructure, it's just one day you can have something, you can see something that is so big, but when in terms of calculating the required amount, it won't be just much as compared to the one when it comes to finishing. So even finishing is okay. In terms of labor price, you can be seeing like you'll have to, let's say, almost 50,000 each and everything. A bit of, if it's less than, you can say it like 30, but the other thing, you can see it's almost draining the money. So guys, in the meantime, I'm going to give you this house tour, of which we had finished tilings. We have started the plumbering work, and then I think for the next will be now going to painting work. So I'm going to give you the tour to see the progress of this particular house. Where I was standing, this is our toilet. You can see we have done a very good job. This is our how do you call it? This is our shower, our hand basin. You can see this is our shower. You can see we went with this particular design. You can see this is the toilet, of which it is called a closed couple toilet. And then you can see this is our Arabic shower. You can see they have already fitted it. This is our tap that will be used on this particular house. And then even you can see the tiles. You can see the tiles is of white in color. You can see it's very attractive when it comes to tiles. So even though don't bother about the floor, we'll have to clean it during the end of this particular project. So this is the master bedroom. You can see we have already done with the everything. I think almost everything. This is now the tiling work. You can see the interior designing. You can see that is now our ceiling design. Well done. Well, very good. Well done. And then this is now the small. This is now our small corridor of you. You can see the main one is just there. You can see the design. You can see is here very well designed. You can see that is our consumer control unit. As you enter, this is our kids' bedroom. You can see we went with the flat ceiling design. You can see how we did the tiles, the window. You can see the grills. Well, we are almost done. As you enter, this is the kitchen. You can see this is the pipe work, and then you can see our kitchen. You can see that we went with black tiles design so that to be, let's say, it can look like so that it will be so more attractive. So even when we'll be doing this particular doors of this thing, we'll have to put it even at something that is so black to match with these particular tiles. And then you can see this is the sink. This is the tap that is here. You can see we have already installed it. The windows, you can see they are well done. You can see this is the serving window that communicates towards the sitting. This is the corridor. You can see the entire. You can see we have already done the interior designing gypsum. This is the sitting room. The design is just there, very well done. You can see it's something that is so attractive, even though now you can't see it because we have not yet done with the painting, and then we have not yet done with the how do you call it, the electrical design. So here we are going outside. You can see this is the steel double door that we went with. You can see now this is our balcony, our front porch. You can see the design. It is of a flat ceiling design. That is, we went with it. So this particular project is almost, we can call it 90. We can call it like 95%. But the remaining thing, we can call it like 5% that is only remaining here. So guys, if you have watched up to that particular end, make sure you have subscribed, like, share, and comment. So let's meet on the next video, God willing.